Okay, so I was diving into this tool called Beads, and it's a distributed graph issue tracker for AI agents. Sounds intriguing, right?
Wait, what's the deal with having a graph-based issue tracker? I mean, isn't that overkill for just tracking issues?
You'd think so, but it actually allows for persistent, structured memory for coding agents. It's about context retention over time.
Ah, I see. So it's like a memory bank for AI to keep track of tasks without losing sight of past information. That's pretty clever.
Exactly, and it uses a version-controlled SQL database called Dolt. The merging capabilities are fascinating, allowing for easy syncs.
Hold on, so it's not just storing tasks, but also managing how those tasks connect. That's like graph theory coming into play.
Right, and because it tracks dependencies, it can handle complex workflows without the usual messy markdown notes.
But doesn't that assume users are comfortable with SQL? Not everyone is a database whiz, you know.
That's a fair point. They have essential commands to simplify interactions, but still, it might intimidate some users.
Totally. I mean, the command line can feel daunting. But once you get past that, the features sound robust.
Speaking of features, the zero conflict aspect is wild. It uses hash-based IDs to avoid merge collisions.
Oh, that's interesting. So in a multi-agent environment, the chance of conflicts goes way down.
Exactly, it's like having a personal identifier that prevents chaos in collaborative environments.
But what if someone mistakenly links tasks incorrectly? There has to be a way to clear those mistakes, right?
Yes, the system allows you to update and show task details so you can audit and fix mistakes.
That's crucial. And the compaction feature, summarizing old tasks to save context. How does that even work?
It summarizes closed tasks, maintaining relevant context without cluttering the memory. Smart, right?
Super smart. It's like pruning a tree. But does it ever lose important details in that process?
Good question. There's always a risk of losing context, but it's designed to retain essential insights.
Got it. And what about the installation? I noticed they provide multiple methods.
Yes, you can install it via brew, npm, or even from source. Flexibility is key here.
So you don't have to be locked into one ecosystem. That's a huge bonus for developers.
Definitely, plus the Git free usage is innovative. You can even run it without a Git directory.
That's a game changer for teams using different version control systems. It opens up so many possibilities.
Exactly, you could use it in CI/CD environments without affecting the main repo.
Now, that's a pretty sweet feature, but it might confuse some users who are used to Git's way of doing things.
True, navigating that shift could be a learning curve, but the potential benefits seem to outweigh that.
For sure, so what's the takeaway here? Is this tool a must-try for developers?
I think so, especially if you deal with complex projects needing clear tracking without losing context.
Right? I never thought about coding agents needing structured memory. That's a whole new perspective.
It's fascinating how tech evolves to support more intricate workflows. I can't wait to see where this leads.
Absolutely. So, what's the next big thing we should look into regarding AI tools?
Maybe exploring how these tools interact with real-time data could be an exciting angle.
That's a great lead. Real-time integration could redefine how we approach project management.
Totally, and who knows, the next tool could revolutionize even further from what we just discussed.
I'm all in for that exploration. Let's keep our eyes peeled for more innovative AI tools.
Definitely, it's such a thrilling time in tech, and I love discussing these developments with you.
Same here. Every conversation reveals another layer of complexity. I can't wait for our next chat.
Me too, until next time, let's keep questioning and exploring together.
Absolutely. Catch you later.